What's up mga kapuro? Ngayong gabi ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na pugita. Guess what? Gagawa tayo ng Pugita Express. Let's go! Gagawin ko ng asin. Gagawin natin ng asin yan. Madaming asin para matanggal ang yung texture niya. So, kailangan natin siyang inuwa ng asin. Kumasin natin ng asin. Gagawin natin ng asin. Asin. Yan. So, first step, tatanggalan natin ang internal organ. Yan. Yan guys. Tatanggalin natin yung laman loob. Patanggal natin lahat. Yan, isa. Guys, yung pinta nyo. Yatay. Yung pinta nyo sa mga hair. Pero linisan natin yung mamaya. Nakita ang importanteng parte, kailangan natin tanggalin. See, ano natin? Attention! Let's see Pugita. Look, magic. Ooh, that's magic. Ooh, look at that beautiful tentacles, baby. See, it's perfect. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna dip it down and one more. Ulit, yan. We're gonna dip it. Kunti-kunti natin siya guys i-dip para maganda yung, yeah, magiging outcome niya. Oh, see, look at that. It's magic. Ooh. Yeah, delete natin doon. And lastly is, yan, the third one. Sheesh. It's perfect. So see, ito ba yung guys? Ang galing. Kung may green chili, meron din tayong red chili. Chili guys. Chili is life. Parang hindi kumpleto yung pagkain pag walang sili sa lamesa. So, and any Bicolanos can relate to that as well kasi sobrang hilig nila sa maanghang. So anyway, I have a little trivia for you. For some of you who's watching this video and for some of you who doesn't know me personally, I'm actually the current or the reigning Mr. Tourism World Philippines, and I'm actually set to represent our country in this coming February, next year actually, February sa Vietnam. So I hope you guys can help me by supporting, following my personal account, Sandro Cordova, and support me as well sa mga page na posting ng page. That's Mr. Tourism World Philippines and Mr. Tourism World Official sa Facebook nila. You can also follow me on TikTok. I'm also doing TikTok. That's Sandro Cordova, same as Instagram, Sandro Cordova. So yeah, that's everything. Yan lang yung meron akong account. So yan guys, tapos na ang ating Narita Falls. Pero look at that. So napakulo na natin yung pugita natin. So we're gonna cut it into pieces. Look at that. Look at that, guys. See? Ooh, I'm cooking for y'all. Haha, pugita. So yeah. So we're gonna cut it into pieces kasi. Pero wait. We have frozen water. We're gonna toast in here para hindi tayo mainitan pag let's mag-chill muna sila dyan. Yan. See, let's wait until we get them all. So since Bicol Express ang gagawin natin, Pugita Express ang gagawin natin, we're gonna slice it into thin pieces kasi para mas masarap. Yan. I'm not sure kung makakain siya ng mga bata, pero let's see. Look at that. Look at that. It's so we're gonna toast the garlic first. So we're gonna toast it in. Let's season it with salt. Right amount of salt. Ano? The secret, Coco Mama, baka naman. Ano touch? Ha? All set. Sheesh. Sheesh. Siguro mapapadami ko ng kanin na ito. So that's it for today, guys. Kung gusto niyo pa ng mga bagong recipe, comment down below. Lulutuin namin yan sa susunod naming video.